Hello everyone! Julia is here. I am very glad to see you today, guys. Thank you for watching and drawing with me and sending your beautiful artworks. They are amazing. And today you will learn how to draw a hippo. So what you will need? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, paints, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay, guys, so today we will be drawing a hippo. Let's start drawing our hippo from the oval in the center. So I will put just an oval here, it will be his main body. So I'm using a pencil, so if something goes wrong, I can easily rub it out. So we are drawing an oval, and now here will be its head, and we will just draw a circle here, like this. And here I will draw another circle, a little bit squished one, so I'm just drawing like this. And now just drop unnecessary lines. And I will be drawing two eyes, two circles here, one circle here, one circle here, and repeating the lines. And drawing one more, and just a spotlight. And here do the same, 1, 2, and spotlight. And I will draw two curved lines here. So, and now our hippo is smiling. So we will draw his nostrils here and smile. And you can add some line here. And also he has small ears, so I'm drawing like this. 1, 2. And I will also show folding some folds here, wrinkles, I would say, because hippos are usually very fat. So let's show some wrinkles here. And you can draw even more if you wish. And now I will be drawing just his little tail here, like this. And he has 4 short legs, so I will just draw these lines here and connect them. And our hippo would be staying in the water because all hippos just love water. So I'm drawing this curved line showing the water, and we just will show that he stays in the water. And then I will draw straight lines here and straight line here. And you can draw some grass, and all hippos just love grass, you know. They eat a lot of grass. So you can just draw as many grass as you wish for our hippo. And also you can draw even water lilies. Or maybe you will decide to draw something else, guys. It's all up to your creativity, and I'm just giving you a few ideas. And I would be happy to see your drawings. And as our hippo lives in Africa, we will draw a palm here. So I will draw just a curved line here and then repeat it like a corn. It will be a trunk of a palm. And now I will be drawing this trunk lines, a little bit curved just to show the volume, and to the top like this. And now I will draw 3 fruits, like 3 circles, and I will be drawing leaves. So, and then you can draw it like this, and then cut out triangles, or you can already draw with the cut of triangles. I will show you here how to do this. Just draw like this and connect, and do the same here. So do what is easy for you. You can then just rub it out, and it's absolutely fine. So our palm tree is ready, and I will also draw a cute cloud here, and you can draw maybe some butterflies or something else. And usually if you will go to Africa, you will see that some little birds are sitting on the neck of hippos, and they are very helpful. So I'm just drawing semicircle here, and a circle. It will be our bird, and these birds are very helpful to hippos because they help to keep the skin clean from insects. So we can draw some cute birds here, and you can color them whatever you wish. So, and now I will use a black pen to make it brighter, and then we can just color our beautiful picture. So let's start coloring our hippo, guys. I will be using gray pencil, and I will be coloring his body, and I will use a lighter gray for this part of our hippo. And you can maybe use another color for our hippo. It can be maybe purple or even blue. So it doesn't mean that you must necessary or you need to color it only gray. You can use whatever color you wish. And I will use lighter gray for this part. And then we'll add some pink blush. Oh, I can't see, so I will use brighter pink. And I will color with brown. Its eyes. And also we'll use black. And you can use markers or maybe black pen to color its eyes, and blush pink for this part of the ears. And now I will color this cute bird, and you can use different colors for the birds. And I will make it blue and yellow, but you can use your own colors. So and maybe even light blue for the head, like this. And then yellow, big. And now I will be coloring with blue our pond, and hippos just love water, and when it's too hot they go into the water. So they love, all hippos love water. And now we can color grass. And for the field I would use yellow-green, but you can color just in one color. Or maybe you will decide to add some more flowers here, or even some butterflies and birds. It's up to you, guys. And if you need to pause the video, take a break and then rewatch it, it's absolutely fine. So I will use this lighter green, yellow green here. And try to color just in one direction. So, and I will color with yellow-green the leaves. And we'll use yellow for the roots. And I'm coloring with the brown the trunk of our palm. So it will be brown. And now I will just color water lily with pink, and you can just leave it white if you wish, or use lighter pink for it. And I will use just lighter green, yellow green for the leaf to make it brighter and just to pop it up. And I will also draw a cute face just for our cloud, and you can also draw sun and as many clouds as you wish. Look guys, how cute is our hippo. He is smiling and standing in the water with his friend little bird. Well done guys! Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing hippo with me. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. Thank you, see you soon, stay safe, bye bye!